This video tests two different manufacturers' residual current circuit breakers, RCCBs, to see if they truly work as advertised. Have you ever been electrocuted? Would you dare to touch live wires directly? Have you ever been electrocuted? Would you dare to touch live wires directly? Electricity doesn't forgive mistakes. If you care about the safety of your family, especially young children who don't understand the dangers, you need to watch this entire video. In the final part of this video, I will disassemble all of these useful devices to see what's inside and how good they are. You will discover how these life-saving devices actually work, their internal structure, and their effectiveness in protecting your home from electric shock. Is this product really good? If this product is useful and necessary for your family, I've included a few similar products in the description of this video. Those are a few suggestions you can buy to protect yourself and all your family members. Thank you very much. Here, I will conduct an experiment with this adorable creature to see what happens. And as you can see, it didn't give any shocks, proving that this circuit breaker works perfectly as advertised. I tried touching it to see what it felt like. This action is not recommended for people with weak hearts. Thank you. The first product came from Japan, and now the second one is coming from China. I'm quite worried, not knowing if it will work well. store is very reputable, and the products work very well. Both passed the first test. I wouldn't experiment with this ordinary circuit breaker because my fish would die. It doesn't work like the two more expensive products above. My fish are still swimming, so I have to say that these two products are very good, but there's still a part that needs improvement. I'm curious to know what amazing things are inside. What if I open it? Let's go! Inside, there's an electronic oscillator circuit and a coil. If there's a voltage difference, it will automatically shut off. And if the coil isn't energized, it will close the adjacent circuit breaker. The operating principle is very simple. As for why it didn't electrocute the fish or my hand, I don't know. If you know, please explain it to me. Thank you. So, what makes this product from Japan so special? Let's find out. Even with just a visual comparison, we can tell which product is of higher quality, right? They both function similarly, but as you can see, their internal structures are completely different. Comparing the two products, I find the Japanese product to be of very good quality. As you can see, they function similarly, but in terms of durability and safety. If it were you, which product would you choose? If you have this product in your home, you will never have to worry about any unfortunate incidents happening to your family. Good luck, and see you again. Thanks for watching.